At Heat Press Nation, we're always looking for ways to help our customers work more efficiently and effectively. One issue that we wanted to solve was the downtime when adjusting the pressure on your heat press for different materials. After lots of research and testing, we developed the patent-pending HPN SurePressure pressure marking system. This innovative solution not only drastically reduces downtime when changing pressure settings, but it does so without breaking the bank. SurePressure works like a bookmark to help you switch seamlessly between pressure settings for your favorite garments and heat transfer materials. Here's how it works. Every time you set your heat press to the proper pressure for a new material, note the SurePressure reading along with your time, temperature, and peel settings. When you have to change your pressure settings in the future, just turn the knob until you're at the noted SurePressure setting. Adjusting pressure on your heat press has never been faster or easier. Consistency and product quality is incredibly important for our customers. The computer gauge and heating element on our heat presses ensure that the time and temperature applied are the same on every product you press. With the addition of SurePressure, you can now achieve consistent pressure application for all of your products as well. The HPN SurePressure system is available exclusively on the new HPN Signature Pro line of heat presses. If you have any questions about SurePressure, please feel free to contact us at 800-215-0894, or you can visit us at heatpressnation.com.